Hello, and welcome to today's Nature Doodle. I retired from a 40-year-plus career in wildlife management. During 30 of those years, part of my job was dealing with problem bears. We used to call them nuisance bears, but that is really an inaccurate label to give to bears. Bears are fascinating wild animals and are only doing what they instinctively and naturally do when foraging for food. They are not inherently a nuisance. Of course, when they find easy food provided by someone, they will take advantage of the opportunity. And that's where problems or conflicts take place. Most of these problems are started by people not removing or securing attractants such as garbage, birdseed, pet, and livestock food. I would receive many calls regarding bears getting into garbage and would advise them of effective ways to secure their garbage. There are many containers available that are bear resistant, or there are simple ways to secure and modify containers to prevent bears from accessing garbage. Bears do not have opposable thumbs, so even a simple yet strong latch like found on a dog leash can work to secure a strong garbage container cover. Bears are generally very shy and avoid people, but they can become a concern if frequently giving free access to human-provided foods. Bears and other animals that are given access to garbage is never a good thing, and many animals, including bears, ingest harmful things along with food found within garbage, including plastics. Animals can also get physically entangled in garbage. I drew a somewhat funny picture of this bear getting a plastic tub stuck on its head. Sadly, this occasionally happens to bears. Small animals also get their heads stuck in a variety of containers while trying to get remaining food scraps inside. There are many resources available on the internet. Go to bearwise.org. It's a national group dedicated to helping people coexist with bears. Black bears are fascinating, very intelligent animals. They have a nose that can smell 7 times better than a bloodhound dog used to track down lost people. So attractants really need to be removed because bears may find them. Bears are a vital part of our forest ecosystem, and I enjoy seeing them in the wild whenever I get the chance. Thank you for watching. If you have any ideas for me on future videos that I should make, please leave them in a comment. Thanks again.